Hello and welcome to another episode of Latest Update. The topic of discussion is Secrets of the Deadly Killer Snake Revealed. A new study published in International Journal of Biological Macromolecules revealed the venom composition of the Pope's pit viper, a venomous snake species native to northern and northeastern India. The research highlights the harmful components of the venom, providing a foundation for venom toxicity studies and advancements in antivenom development. The study is crucial as it fills a knowledge gap for the venom of Pope's pit viper, which had previously been unexamined compared to other venomous snakes. Drishti IAS Noida Center, the offline batches admissions are open for IAS GS Foundation course covering both prelims and mains. The English medium batch is starting from 8th of April while admissions are open for the Hindi medium batch. For more information, give us the call at 87501. Key findings of the study. The study identified 106 proteins in the venom of the Pope's pit viper using label-free quantitative proteomics. These proteins were categorized into 12 toxin families with 60% of the venom comprising enzymes responsible for tissue damage, blood coagulation, interference and hemorrhage. The identified toxins include snake venom, metalloproteinases. These cause bleeding, tissue breakdown and blood clotting issues. Serine proteases. This hinder blood coagulation. Phospholipase A2. Induce muscle injury and inflammation. Snakeless, snake C-type lectins affect blood platelet function and coagulation. Snakebite mortality in India. In India, around 50,000 deaths occur from an estimated 3 to 4 million snake bites annually, which accounts for half of all snakebite deaths globally. Only a small proportion of snakebite victims across countries report to the clinics and hospitals, and the actual burden of a snakebite is grossly unreported. In India, around 90% of snakebites are caused by the big four, among the crawlers, common krait, Indian cobra, Russell's viper, and the saw-scaled viper. Administration of polyvalent anti-snake venom containing antibodies against cobra, Russell's viper, common krait and saw-scaled viper is effective in 80% of the snakebite cases. Potential impact of the study. The study highlights the lack of species-specific antivenoms for pit vipers like the Pope's pit viper, leaving victims vulnerable to severe effects. By understanding the venom's composition, the study lays the groundwork for improving antivenoms and developing new pharmaceutical treatments. The research aligns with India's goal of reducing snakebite mortality by 50% by 2030. This study also opens the door to further research into venom toxicity and antivenom development, contributing to life-saving medical innovations. Now it's time for the practice question. Which of the following features is not characteristic of the Pope's pit viper? Arboreal habitat, nocturnal behavior, found in the dry regions of Rajasthan, or dense forest habitats of Northeast India? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.